Welcome to episode 7 of Can I Get My Channel Monetized? If you're new here, my name is Francesca, and I started a series to see how long will it take little old me to get monetized. Now, coming from someone that doesn't really know too much about the internet, but I always just wanted to be a YouTuber. So I started up a channel 4 years ago. I never actually kept up with it. This year, actually the ending of 2024, I started uploading again. I said, you know what? I'm gonna stick to it and see how far I can take it. My series is based on just analytics, tips and tricks on things that I learned throughout the week. I usually would upload 2 to 3 videos. If I'm having a really good week, I would upload 4 videos on my YouTube channel, which is based on single moms, lifestyle, and things like that. To be a part of the YouTube partnership program, you're gonna need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours within 365 days span. Now, if you don't make these requirements within this deadline, you're gonna have to start over. So let's get started with the analytics. My last week's analytics, I had 985 subscribers, 164 watch hours. This week, drum roll please, 992 subscribers with 189 watch hours. Woo! Guess what? I'm super happy. Why? Because that's a step closer to my goal. My goal is so I can get monetized. Even if it was just 1 subscriber, I would be as happy as I am now. Why? Because that was one more person that loved me, liked me for me, and liked me for what I put out there. You want people to see you for you, you have to love yourself first. Show who you really are, because people are coming to your channel for that. So if you're portraying to be this person and people actually like that fake person that you're portraying to be, it's gonna be a little hard for you to keep that up. So I say, be yourself. Be yourself. Show who you are. I know you're a loving person. I know you're a caring person. Show that you care about the person that's watching. Ask questions. How are you today? How are you feeling? Always make sure that you're showing selflessness. Even though, yes, it is YouTube. This platform is called YouTube. And yes, it is about you. But for you to get monetized, you have to provide some type of service for people to watch you, for you to gain an audience. And that's how the cookie crumbles. As far as my channel, I provide motivation. I show a lifestyle that a lot of women go through or share with me. I'm a single mom of 4 kids, and they're all very little. So I know that I'm not alone when it comes to being a single mom and raising kids on my own. I actually had a woman reach out to me, and she showed me appreciation. She said that she appreciates me for putting out what life really is as a single mom and how she can relate with me. I got a little emotional because this was the first time that ever happened to me. Someone actually reached out to little old me, actually wrote my name down on Instagram, searched me up, and contacted me and actually told me how they truly felt about my contact. And it made me very emotional, because knowing what I go through and all the feelings, the emotional roller coaster that I go through, someone else is feeling the same way. So it made me feel happy that I'm not alone. I go through so much as a single mom, but you live, you learn, and you get through each and every day. And that's how I get through my days, day by day, day by day. So I'm thankful that she reached out. And if you're watching, thank you so much. To conclude this analytics video, always stay positive, stay relevant, stay consistent. And when I say stay consistent, meaning upload 1 to 2 videos a week. Stay consistent about the topic. Whatever it is that your channel is about, stay consistent with that. Be happy. Okay, so even when you're not recording, even behind the scenes, you want to show the universe, you want to be that happy person. Always remember, whatever it is that you're giving out, you're going to get in return. It doesn't matter in which way or form, you will get that back. Whatever hard work you're putting out, you're going to receive that. So you put out good energy, you're going to receive good energy back. Always remember that. And don't make YouTube a priority if you have other priorities, but make YouTube one of your main choices, one of your main goals that you want to achieve. Because if you put it on the side and you just, you know what, I'll upload whenever I upload, your channel's not gonna grow. People are gonna see that you're not consistent and that you don't really want it. You don't really want it. You want to show people that you're here to stay. You're here to stay. You're here to stay. You're here to stay. Yeah. You want to show people that you're here to stay. You want to show YouTube. You want to show your audience that you care about them, and you're gonna keep coming back and giving them good advice. You're gonna keep coming back and showing them that you're here to stay. Yeah. Nevertheless, have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful weekend. And I'll see ya in the next episode. Take care, guys.